Hi, I'm Elizabeth Talbot, and I'm the estate plan coordinator and a paralegal with the Talbot Law Group in Walnut Creek, California. So, in terms of estate planning, today I'm going to talk about subtrust within a standard revocable trust. So here I have Matthew Talbot and I's estate plan binder, which contains our revocable trust. So we've created one trust called the Elizabeth K. Talbot and Matthew B. Talbot Revocable Trust, and that trust is going to hold our assets. However, within that trust, there are several other kinds of trust, and these are called subtrusts. Now, when we first created our trust, and at present, there's just one trust, and these subtrusts are not actually trusts. They're essentially plans that are laid out if certain conditions should occur. So what's an example of a subtrust, and why would we need it? So our trust document shows how our trust should be governed during our lifetimes. But beyond our lifetimes, we may want the trust to be governed and administered differently. So we can do that and put it all within our main trust document. So an example of that would be a trust for children. So we have one child, and we've laid out, and if we had additional children, we have a plan laid out called a trust for children that is a subtrust right now. But if we're both gone, that subtrust is then essentially born and becomes a full-fledged trust. And that trust will manage the assets for the children. So for example, you can set out ages that you want them to receive money, how you want that money distributed by the trustee, guidelines, education standards, all different kinds of things you can lay out within the trust for children. There's other kinds of subtrusts, of course. One other kind would be the special needs trust. So this allows you, if you have multiple children, let's say you have, children that are fully functioning and then a child who has special needs, you can create a separate subtrust for them that upon certain conditions occurring, which would essentially be the two settlors or people who created the trust dying, that special needs trust would then be born and would hold the assets and administer them for the special needs child. And that kind of trust is of course important because there are government benefits that will be missed out on if a special needs trust is not created. Now there are certainly kinds of other subtrusts, and we will talk about those in future videos. Thank you so much.